Okay, you want to make some extra money on the side? Well, I'm going to show you how. I've been working for myself for almost 10 years now, and I'm going to show you the 11 best side hustle ideas for 2020. But we're going to start. We have 11 companies here. Some of them are for companies like Amazon, and I'm going to be going over each of these right over here on my computer, showing you each one and how you sign up, how you work, what's involved, and how much you can expect to make. So let's get it. So the first best side hustle idea for 2020 is called Amazon Flex. And Amazon Flex, if you haven't heard, Amazon is like a bigger company, like half of the world. It's worth like something like $1 trillion. Jeff Bezos is the richest man in the world for a reason. And they are creating the world's biggest logistics network, and they're hiring lots of drivers all over the world to deliver packages. Amazon is nuts. Jeff Bezos, I mean, $100 billion even after a divorce. I mean, that's got to say something. So to sign up for Amazon Flex, you need to go to flex.amazon.com, and you will see right over here, you can just search Amazon Flex or whatever if the links aren't in the description. But look at that, great money, great flexibility. And most drivers earn $18 to $25 per hour. So you can get started just by signing up here. But the way it works is basically you are delivering packages for Amazon. Amazon is going head to head with the postal services of countries around the world and UPS and FedEx. Now, what's great about Amazon Flex is basically you're working off of an app. So they have an app and you're going to download the app and they're going to tell you where to pick things up and where to deliver things. And it's very flexible, work when you want. Now, the only downside to this is, there are only limited areas where they're rolling this out, but it's getting bigger. And that's why this is something for 2020, because Amazon is going around the world with this program in 2020. So if you want to be a partner for them, I would suggest you keep checking back, okay? So right now they're looking for drivers in these 3 states, Ohio, Pennsylvania, and New York. But as I said, it's going worldwide in 2020, so keep watching this. The next side hustle idea is called iWriter, okay? So writing is another one of those areas of work that is just completely being transformed by the internet. Nobody's hiring in-house writers anymore. Writers are all going to be freelance, and iWriter is one of those companies you can work for that will pay you to write content for other companies. So the way you'd sign up is you'd go to iWriter.com and you'd go over here to where it says write content. If you see that right over there, okay? No pun intended. So you see writer application, and right now they're only accepting writers from North America, South America, Europe, Asia, and Australia. Sorry, Africans, you really keep getting the short end of the stick, but they're looking for people from these countries, which is most of the world, by the way. And you just have to fill out a short application. This is a legit company, been around for a while. Fill that out, and hopefully you get accepted and you can start a career writing. Now, with this, you can earn as much as, $50 to even $100 an hour if you're a fast writer and you have a series of good reviews. So you can make a very nice full-time income off of this, thousands of dollars per month if you're accepted. The third side hustle idea, this is another company that is just expanding rapidly around the entire world. And this company was just bought by Uber, and it's called Lime. And what you would be is you'd be a lime juicer. John, does that mean I'm like taking limes and juicing them? No, you're not juicing limes here. Limes are scooters. And what you're doing is people use an app, they use their phone and they look over the scooter and then they unlock it and ride around. And people in cities all around the world are using these scooters now and just borrowing them, and they leave them random place throughout the city. Now these scooters are all electric and they run out of battery during the day. So what your job is to go around the city, pick up these scooters, and you could get a pickup truck and throw them in the back of the pickup truck, whatever you want. You could do a lot that way, and to charge them wherever you can find electricity. And you can get paid as much as $5 to $10 per scooter that you charge every night. So generally speaking, you're gonna have to pick up these scooters at night and drop them off at night, after you've charged them, and you get paid money for that. Now to sign up, you'd go to limebike.com and sign up to be a juicer, and see, it says start earning with Lime today. You fill out your information. So the fourth side hustle idea for 2020 is called TaskRabbit, and it's a site where you do tasks. Now, if you go on here, you see you can sign up to do tasks for a million different things. If you can mount or install things, if you can pick up and move packages, if you can assemble furniture, if you can clean people's houses, if you can just be a general handyman and, hang up, pictures or, fix, sinks or do heavy lifting. There's all sorts of tasks you can do. We hire TaskRabbits at my household all the time for random different activities, and you can become a tasker by going up to the top right corner right there and just signing up to become a tasker and start doing jobs around your local area. Now, this is not internet work. This is work that you're going to actually do around wherever you are. But this company is on a steep exponential trajectory up, and it is expanding around the world. So this is another site where you should keep checking back, sign up either way, and start doing tasks for people, because it's a very fast growing company. So it means you should sign up, and you can get paid a lot of money. I mean, we know a lot of people who are TaskRabbits, and they get paid a full-time income just going around and doing tasks for people. And what's great is the hourly wages are pretty high, because generally the clients, such as myself, are pretty well off because, kind of in the know, early adopter technology types of people. So it's a good place to work. Now, the fifth side income idea is actually a really easy one. It doesn't require you to really do much work, and that site is called Turo. And this allows you to rent your car. So if you have a spare car lying around, or let's say you just don't use your car all the time every day, you can sign up for Turo, and you'll see it up here, Turo.com, and you can rent your car to people and let others drive your car when you're not using it. So if you see up here in the top, it says list your car, and that's where you would go. This is another very fast growing tech company that is expanding around the world. I don't know all the countries they're in, but it's one of those companies that's just like growing super fast. So you list your car here, let your car work for you, and it takes 10 minutes to sign up, and you can get paid when you're not using your car. The next income idea is being a driver for Uber Eats. Now, if you have a car and you are fine you have a driver's license, you can do this, and you can sign up to be a driver with Uber, and you can earn at least $1,000 for your first 150 trips. You just go to uber.com and literally you just click sign up to drive right there, and it'll take you to a page where you can sign up in minutes to deliver with Uber. Look, no boss, flexible schedule, quick pay. Sign up in minutes. The world is changing so fast. Jobs are going away. If you understand what's happening right now, jobs are not necessary anymore. You can work for yourself. You can work in a flexible schedule. I mean, so much chaos and misery and hopelessness and helplessness has been caused by people having fixed job schedules and not being able to do their hobbies or hang out with their friends or see their family or see their kids or play with their kids or whatever. So moving from having a job to working a flexible schedule for yourself is a very, very, very viable alternative in today's day and age. In fact, in 2020, it's going through the moon. And this is a revolution that's happening. People are taking back control of their lives, and it is such an exciting time. If you are excited, or in California, we use the word stoked, to be alive right now and to have access to these opportunities, screw the last century. This century is going to be better than ever before. And if you're stoked, just say I'm stoked in the comments, or I'm excited, because it's a really exciting time we live in. And make sure to click that subscribe button up ahead and hit that notification bell. Like this video if you're enjoying the content. I'm going to get back to the next 5 ways that you can work for yourself. Side hustle ideas for 2020. All of these opportunities are growing and they're expanding around the world. So keep note of these, make notes, because these tech companies are moving fast. Now, back when I was growing up, me and my family lived near a golf course in Los Angeles, and there used to be really big golf tournaments. And what we would do as, a kid to make a little extra money is I would set up a lemonade stand out front, and also I would let people park on our driveway and park on our lawn, our front lawn, to go to the golf game, because we're closer to the golf course and there wasn't much parking. So I'd charge people $20 to park on our lawn, and charge people $1 for lemonade. And it was a great way to make extra money. And you can do that online now. There's an app that allows you to do that. It's called curb.works, okay? Curb.works. I'm gonna show you the site right here. The site is Curb, and you can list private spaces to park. That's what it's called, private parking spaces, okay? And it's spelled kind of weird with K-E-R-B, and you see curb.works. Now, if you want to list a space that people can park in, you can click this button right here, lease a space, and it's got that big dollar sign right there. You click lease a space, and it says list your empty parking space or boat mooring on Curb to make extra income every month. Awesome. And this really doesn't require a lot of work for you to do, but you would just log in and sign up to do that. And the way it works is the listing is free and you get paid automatically. So they send money to your bank account every 2 days. So it's easy, fast, really cool. The next side hustle idea for 2020 is Lyft, okay? So being a Lyft driver is another one of those. It's like a competitor to Uber. Okay. Now, Lyft is what I use a couple times a week at least. I am always ordering drives on Lyft, and it's an app that allows you, it's basically a taxi app. Say I want to go somewhere and people will pick me up and take me there. Or if you want a side hustle, you can be the driver that drives people like me around. And all you would do is you'd go on their website and you'd click apply to drive. And once again, you make about $20, $30 an hour doing this. It's expanding worldwide, but you can see all of the cities you can drive in under the list of cities up here. And there's a ton of cities, all in the United States as of right now, but in 2020, they're expanding. So I would check on this. You know, you could be an Uber driver as well to see where you can be a driver for. Now here's a really weird one. I don't know about this one, but it's odd, but you can actually rent somebody to be your friend nowadays. I don't know how this works, but it's kind of weird, but you can get paid doing it. So if you're just a nice person, you're a friendly guy or girl or whatever, and you're willing to be somebody's friend, you could go on this site called rentafriend.com. I mean, I don't know if this is like a prostitution front or what, but it sounds interesting. Right? If you're broke and you need a way to make money, I mean, why not try it out? If you are going to try out Rent a Friend, let me know in the comments. If you're like, I'm going to try out Rent a Friend, because that'll be interesting. And if somebody has done Rent a Friend, let me know in the comments how it works or what you think. But basically, from my understanding, because I haven't actually become a friend to somebody for money on here yet, but basically seems interesting. So you can make money doing it. And, you know, I guess there are 600,000 people doing it already. So I don't know. You could try it out. It's another income opportunity. Odd. Haven't heard about it, but let's see what happens. And this next one, my brother actually worked for this company for a short period of time in between jobs, and it's called Instacart. And what you're doing at Instacart is you're shopping. You're doing grocery shopping for people, and you are delivering groceries to their houses for them. They don't actually have to go shopping, and we use this service ourselves as well, because sometimes we just don't have the time to go shopping in between, you know, babies and animals and vacations and all this stuff. So you can sign up to be a shopper with Instacart right there and see, get paid to shop. Now you can actually get paid a good amount of money, and this is another one of those, you know, multi-billion-dollar unicorn Silicon Valley tech companies, which is just exploding around the world. So there's opportunities probably mainly in America and Canada right now, but it is growing and it's expanding very fast. So check to make sure if it's not currently offered in your country. So check that out. Lots of fun stuff. If you enjoyed this video, if you got some value out of this video, if you got some ideas of ways to make money, type in massive value right now. So type in massive value in the comments right now and let me know what was your favorite thing so far, because I'm gonna go in to the last but not least one, and I'd like to know what was your favorite of these top 10. I'm gonna address number 11 in a second, but we talked about Amazon Flex drivers, iRider, riding for people, being a lime juicer, picking up scooters and plugging them into electricity, doing tasks for people around your local area, renting your car, being a driver for people and delivering food, you know, renting a parking space or a boat space, being a taxi driver, being a friend to somebody, being a shopper, a grocery shopper for somebody. Let me know in the comments. If you got massive value, type in massive value and let me know which of these opportunities was the most interesting, because I'd like to know myself. Now, the last opportunity is pretty interesting. This is what I do for a living, and this industry grew over 40% in 2018. It's growing more in 2019 and 2020. It's just going to keep going up, and that's because this industry is literally the future of all commerce, period. This is going to take over all commerce in time, and that's called affiliate marketing. And this is how I make my money. Okay. Now, affiliate marketing is where you are selling or recommending another person's product or service, and you are earning a commission from them. So a lot of the products or services that I talk about on this channel in other videos or whatnot, I make money from, okay? And that's how, one of the ways I can make money as a teacher, teaching people, offering value to the student and offering value to the company. And this is a growing space. You can do this as an Instagram influencer. You see Kim Kardashian doing it with her own, like promoting other people's jewelries or whatever. All these people are promoting other people's products, and they are getting commissions every time that product is sold. So if you want to learn how to do that and how to do that at scale and be able to make a full-time living off of it, we've already made about $5 million this year. There's a lot of money in this space. I have no employees. I have no technical skills. I don't have any actual products I have to ship to people. And I'm able to make a very good income working for myself from wherever I want, determining my own schedule. This is a great way. If you want to learn more, make sure, first of all, subscribe to my channel, because I drop videos every single day. Every single week I do something, at least one video on affiliate marketing and how you can make money doing that. But if you really want to go deeper in it, you could join my money club. There should be a link right next to the subscribe button where you just click join the money club, and you'll get access to a bunch of extra video trainings from me, as well as you'll get access to talk to me on a live stream twice a month. Furthermore, if you want to go really deep in affiliate marketing, learn how to make 6 figures a year from affiliate marketing, you can take my 6-week training course called the Super Affiliate System, which is an intensive course because it's more content than I could really go over on a YouTube video, and I walk you through step by step how you can make it big in this industry. So thanks for watching, and remember, as always, drop out of school, please. Quit your job. Take control of your life. Stop letting these notifications and beeps and bloops. Don't let social media, don't let these tech companies use you. Take back control of your life. Start using social media. Start using technology for your own material gain rather than letting technology use you for its material gain. Take control of your life. Live free. Enjoy nature. Spend more time with your family, and subscribe to the channel. Hope you enjoyed this video. Looking forward to seeing you sometime again soon.